everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create transparent cover like this one that wraps around any objects you want. As you can see, mine isn't fully transparent, it's still slightly blurred, but you can make it 100% clear if you like. That's totally up to you. So first I will hide these objects to create new ones. Let's add a cylinder. Take it out of the group. Validate. Go to the symmetry settings and increase the Y maybe to 12. Now select smooth tool and lightly go over the edges. Face group, one color, quadrat mesh, half maybe. Duplicate the shape, move it slightly away and create another one as well. Now add a sphere, place it in the center and try to fit everything inside it. But looks good. Next, add more subdivision. Go to MISC and here check the vertices box and uncheck these two here and increase this value to 3. After clicking the From High Resolution button, the sphere will transform into this look. Using the Smooth tool, soften the surface a little to make it cleaner. But keep some details to give it that stretched plastic feel. Keep smoothing until you are happy with the result. I like to change the color temporarily to check if the inner object is poking through the cover, like this here. Once everything looks fine, switch the color back. Now for the material, choose the refraction material. It will look something like this. Adjust the settings. For example, lower this value to 1. Here you can control the roughness and the transparency. Personally, I like it this way. You can turn this on or off. It's up to you. For me, I like it like this. give the pieces some colors. So purple maybe for this one, and green. And purple, not pink. That's it. I think the process is really simple, and you can apply it to wrap any object you want with a transparent cover. I've almost forgot the process settings. Just a few tweaks with the sharpness and tone mapping. We are done. I will repeat the same process on another object. So the idea is clearer. Let's pick this old Mario model. I make some changes to it before, but never finish it. Anyway, select all the pieces and join them. No, I think there is a mirror somewhere. There it is. So validate it. Join children. Again, select everything. Join them and repeat the same steps as before. Here is the final result. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please support me with a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.